Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to build your own robot using ROS2 and the brand new Raspberry Pi 5. We'll cover the hardware, software, wiring, and even take the robot for a test drive. Let's get started. First, let's gather the hardware. You'll need a Raspberry Pi 5, a motor driver, 2 DC motors with wheels, a chassis, a battery pack, and at least one sensor such as an ultrasonic module or LiDAR for navigation. Don't forget the essentials like jumper wires and a micro SD card with a 64-bit operating system. Next, flash Ubuntu 24.04 64-bit onto your micro SD card using Raspberry Pi Imager. Boot up your Pi 5, connect it to Wi-Fi, and run system updates. Then install ROS2 Jazzy with the command sudo ape install ROS Jazzy desktop. Finally, source ROS2 by adding source/ops/ros/jazzy/setup.bash to your bashrc file. Now let's connect the hardware. Wire your DC motors to the motor driver and connect the driver's control pins to the Pi's GPIO. For sensors, plug in your ultrasonic module or USB LiDAR. Always check voltage levels since Raspberry Pi GPIO works at 3.3 volts. Time to set up a ROS2 workspace. Create a folder called ROS2_WS/SRC, add your custom robot packages, then build with Colkin build and source the install setup file. Let's write our first node in Python. One node will publish velocity commands to your motor driver, while another node will read sensor data and publish it to a topic. With ROS2, nodes communicate seamlessly using topics and services. Now comes the fun part. Launch your ROS2 nodes and use the keyboard teleop package to send movement commands. Your robot should start moving, and if you've connected sensors, you can even add obstacle avoidance or mapping with SLAM. And that's it. You've just built a robot powered by ROS2 and Raspberry Pi 5. In future videos, we'll dive into SLAM, navigation, and computer vision. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.